Synertrade Procure-to-Pay Online Training. Introduction to Synertrade Procure-to-Pay. Synertrade Procure-to-Pay, P2P, is a comprehensive digital solution designed to streamline and automate the entire procurement process, from sourcing and purchasing through to payment. This solution is part of the broader suite of services offered by Synertrade, a leading provider of digital procurement tools. The procure-to-pay process typically encompasses the following stages. 1. Sourcing and supplier management. Supplier selection. Synertrade helps organizations identify, evaluate, and select suppliers based on criteria like price, quality, and performance. This process is enhanced through digital catalogs and supplier performance dashboards. Supplier collaboration. The platform allows for effective communication with suppliers, providing real-time data sharing, collaboration on contract negotiations, and performance monitoring. 2. Procurement, purchasing. Purchase requisition. Employees can create and submit purchase requests, which are automatically routed for approval according to predefined workflows. Purchase order, PO, creation. Once a requisition is approved, purchase orders are generated and sent directly to the suppliers. The system ensures that the right products or services are ordered at the best possible price. 3. Receiving and inventory management. Goods receipt. When goods or services are received, the platform can automatically update inventory and track receipt against the original purchase order. This ensures that the delivery matches the purchase order in terms of quantity and quality. Invoice matching. The platform supports the automatic matching of invoices with the goods receipt and purchase order data. This minimizes errors, reduces the risk of overpayment, and speeds up the processing time. 4. Invoice processing. Digital invoice management. Suppliers can submit invoices directly to Synertrade's platform, where they are processed electronically, ensuring that all details are correct and match the corresponding purchase order and receipt. Approval workflow. Invoices are routed through an automated approval process, reducing manual intervention and speeding up payments. 5. Payment. Automated payment processing. Once invoices are approved, the system can initiate payment to suppliers through integrated payment systems, ensuring that payments are made on time and in accordance with the agreed terms. Compliance and auditing. Throughout the P2P process, Synertrade ensures compliance with company policies, legal requirements, and audit standards, helping to prevent fraud and improve transparency. 6. Analytics and reporting. Spend visibility. The platform provides detailed reporting on procurement activities, offering insights into spending patterns, supplier performance, and procurement efficiency. This helps organizations make data-driven decisions. Supplier performance. Analytics tools track supplier performance based on delivery times, pricing accuracy, and product quality, helping companies optimize their supplier relationships. Key benefits of Synertrade Procure-to-Pay. Increased efficiency. By automating and digitizing procurement and payment processes, Synertrade reduces manual tasks, accelerates cycle times, and minimizes errors. Key features of Synertrade Procure-to-Pay. Synertrade's Procure-to-Pay, P2P, solution is designed to streamline procurement and payment processes within organizations. Here are the key features of Synertrade's P2P offering. 1. Supplier management. Supplier onboarding, efficient processes for registering new suppliers, managing profiles, and maintaining up-to-date information. Supplier collaboration, real-time communication with suppliers to manage orders, invoices, and delivery schedules. Supplier performance monitoring, track supplier performance with integrated analytics and reporting tools. 2. Sourcing and purchasing. E-sourcing enables strategic sourcing activities like online auctions, tenders, and RFPs to select the best suppliers. Catalog management provides centralized access to digital catalogs from suppliers, ensuring that employees order goods and services within company guidelines. Purchase order management, streamlined creation, approval, and tracking of purchase orders, reducing manual errors and delays. Multicurrency and multilanguage support helps organizations manage procurement across global operations. 3. Invoice and payment management. Invoice processing automation, automated invoice receipt, validation, and matching with purchase orders and receipts, minimizing manual intervention and errors. Payment processing, integration with accounting and ERP systems to handle payments efficiently and ensure timely supplier payments. Invoice matching, automatically matches invoices with orders and delivery receipts, reducing discrepancies and ensuring accuracy. 4. Procurement analytics and reporting. Spend analytics provides detailed insights into spending patterns, helping businesses identify cost-saving opportunities and optimize procurement processes. Supplier performance analytics measure supplier performance in real time, using key performance indicators, KPIs, to track delivery, quality, and cost metrics. Customizable dashboards. User-friendly dashboards provide comprehensive views of procurement operations, making it easier for decision-makers to monitor and manage processes. 5. Workflow and approval management. Customizable workflow tailor approval processes and workflows to the organization's specific needs, ensuring compliance with internal policies and reducing bottlenecks. Real-time notifications, automated alerts and notifications keep users informed of pending tasks, approvals, or changes in order status. 6. Compliance and risk management. Contract management ensures that contracts are compliant with internal policies and regulatory requirements, reducing the risk of legal or financial issues. Audit trails maintains a comprehensive audit trail of all procurement activities for transparency and compliance purposes. Regulatory compliance helps organizations meet industry-specific regulations by ensuring that procurement activities are carried out in compliance with relevant laws. Synertrade Procure-to-Pay Workflow Automation. Synertrade's Procure-to-Pay P2P workflow automation is a comprehensive solution designed to optimize and automate the entire procurement process, from requisition to payment. By leveraging digital tools, Synertrade enhances efficiency, transparency, and compliance across the procurement life cycle, benefiting both buyers and suppliers. Here's an expanded breakdown of the key components and benefits. 1. Requisition management. Automated purchase requests. Employees can create purchase requests digitally, reducing manual input and the risk of errors. The system can suggest suppliers and products based on predefined catalogs, streamlining the request process. Approval workflow. Once a request is made, the system automatically triggers an approval process based on organizational policies, example, approval hierarchies and budget checks. Notifications and alerts ensure that approvals are handled promptly. 2. Supplier management. Supplier onboarding. Synertrade helps streamline the process of onboarding new suppliers, allowing for easy integration and verification within the system. This ensures a central repository of suppliers, reducing manual data entry. Supplier Collaboration Portal, a platform for communication where suppliers can access orders, manage invoices, and collaborate on logistics and delivery schedules. 3. Purchase Order Management. Automated PO generation. Based on approved requisitions, purchase orders, POS, are automatically created and sent to suppliers. This minimizes manual intervention and potential errors. PO tracking. Real-time tracking of PO statuses, from placement to delivery, helps monitor order fulfillment and provides updates to all stakeholders. Integrated e-procurement catalogs. The solution can link to supplier catalogs, allowing buyers to select items directly from pre-negotiated lists, ensuring compliance with company policies and cost control. 4. Invoice management. Automated invoice matching. Synertrade automates the three-way matching process between purchase orders, goods receipts, and invoices, ensuring that discrepancies are flagged for review before payment. Invoice validation. Automated checks for tax calculations, compliance, and correctness help reduce processing time and prevent errors. Digital approval flow. Invoices can be approved or rejected within the system, reducing delays in manual approval cycles. 5. Payment processing. Automated payment initiation. Once invoices are approved, the system can initiate payments based on predefined payment terms, ensuring timely and accurate payments. Payment tracking. Payments are tracked automatically, and stakeholders are notified about payment status, helping avoid late fees and maintaining positive supplier relationships. Payment reconciliation. Synertrade integrates with accounting systems to ensure smooth reconciliation between procurement and financial records, providing full audit trails. 6. Analytics and reporting. Data-driven insights. Advanced analytics provide deep insights into procurement performance, supplier performance, spending trends, and payment cycles. This data helps in making informed decisions and improving procurement strategies. Compliance reporting. Automated reporting ensures that procurement activities comply with internal policies, regulatory requirements, and contract terms, while also aiding in audits. Supplier management in Synertrade Procure-to-Pay. Supplier management within Synertrade's Procure-to-Pay P2P solution involves the systematic process of managing relationships, data, and performance for suppliers throughout the entire procurement life cycle. This includes sourcing, selection, onboarding, contract management, performance monitoring, and payment. Here's an expanded look at the key components of supplier management in Synertrade's P2P platform. 1. Supplier onboarding. Registration. Suppliers are invited to register on the platform, providing essential information such as company details, certifications, and financials. Approval workflow. Once suppliers submit their details, A validation process ensures compliance with internal and regulatory standards. Self-service portal. Suppliers have access to a portal where they can manage their own information, update documents, and track progress. 2. Supplier classification and segmentation. Categorization. Suppliers are categorized based on criteria such as industry, size, geography, or product service type. Risk assessment. Suppliers are assessed for potential risks based on financial stability, compliance, and past performance, helping to mitigate supply chain disruptions. Strategic segmentation. Suppliers are segmented into strategic, tactical, and transactional categories, optimizing the focus on high-value or high-risk suppliers. 3. Supplier performance monitoring. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Suppliers are assessed using performance metrics such as delivery timeliness, product quality, and customer service. Continuous monitoring. Performance is continuously tracked, and automated alerts notify procurement teams if there are performance issues. 360-degree feedback. This feedback mechanism involves input from various stakeholders, example procurement, finance, and end users, to ensure a comprehensive evaluation of the supplier's performance. 4. Supplier collaboration. Communication tools. Synertrade's P2P solution includes tools for real-time collaboration with suppliers, enhancing transparency in order management, product specifications, and logistics. E-procurement integration. Suppliers can receive orders, submit invoices, and manage order status directly through the platform, reducing manual intervention. Document sharing. Contracts, purchase orders, invoices, and other documents can be shared securely through the system. 5. Supplier compliance and audits. Compliance tracking. Suppliers are required to meet certain compliance standards, example, environmental, labor laws, which are monitored within the platform. Audit trails. The platform maintains an audit trail for every transaction, providing visibility into supplier behavior and ensuring transparency for compliance audits. Regulatory compliance. The platform can be configured to ensure that suppliers meet industry-specific regulations, which are updated automatically as laws change. 6. Contract management. Contract creation and storage. Synertrade allows suppliers and buyers to collaboratively create, negotiate, and store contracts, ensuring alignment on terms and conditions. Life cycle management. Contracts are tracked throughout their life cycle, from initial negotiations to renewal or expiration, ensuring compliance with the agreed terms. Synertrade Procure-to-Pay compliance and risk management. Synertrade Procure-to-Pay, P2P, compliance and risk management refers to the practices and tools within Synertrade's procurement platform that help organizations manage their procurement processes while ensuring they remain compliant with legal, regulatory, and internal standards. It also focuses on mitigating risks throughout the entire procure-to-pay cycle, from supplier selection to payment. Here's an expanded view of how compliance and risk management play a role. 1. Procure-to-Pay, P2P, process overview. The P2P process in Synertrade covers several stages, from requisitioning goods and services, supplier management, purchase order creation, and invoicing, to final payment. Compliance and risk management are crucial across these stages to ensure transparency, avoid fraud, minimize errors, and ensure organizational standards are met. 2. Compliance in P2P. Compliance ensures that every step of the procurement process adheres to legal requirements, industry regulations, and corporate policies. Key elements of compliance in the P2P process include supplier compliance, ensuring suppliers meet the required legal, environmental, and ethical standards before entering into agreements. Supplier audits, regular checks of supplier practices for compliance with anti-bribery laws, labor laws, environmental policies, and international trade regulations. Documentation, ensuring that the necessary contracts, certificates, and other compliance documentation are available and correct for all transactions. Procurement policy adherence, ensuring that internal procurement policies and procedures are consistently followed across the organization. This includes policies on approvals, purchasing limits, and product service standards. Automated workflows. Synertrade automates workflows to enforce compliance, such as requiring multiple levels of approval for purchases above a certain threshold or enforcing guidelines for selecting suppliers. Tax and regulatory compliance, ensuring that tax regulations, example VAT or sales tax, are applied correctly in all invoices and that the purchasing process adheres to financial reporting requirements. 3. Risk management in P2P. Risk management in P2P aims to identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks that could impact procurement activities, financial stability, or reputational risk. Key aspects include supplier risk management, supplier financial health, assessing and monitoring the financial stability of suppliers to prevent disruption in the supply chain. Synertrade allows for supplier financial ratings and regular monitoring. Geopolitical risks, identifying risks related to suppliers in politically unstable regions or those affected by sanctions, trade restrictions, or natural disasters. Risk scoring. Suppliers are scored based on various criteria, example reliability, compliance with laws, environmental impact, and higher-risk suppliers can be flagged for more scrutiny or avoided. Fraud prevention. One of the major risks in P2P is fraud, including invoice fraud, procurement fraud, or kickbacks. Invoice validation. Automated invoice validation checks in Synertrade can help detect discrepancies such as overcharging, duplicate invoices, or unauthorized vendors. Integrating Synertrade Procure-to-Pay with ERP systems. Integrating Synertrade's Procure-to-Pay (P2P) solution with ERP systems is a crucial step for businesses looking to streamline procurement and financial processes. By combining Synertrade's platform with an enterprise resource planning (ERP) system, companies can optimize their procurement workflows, reduce manual efforts, and ensure smoother data exchanges between systems. Here's a detailed overview of the integration process. 1. Understanding Synertrade Procure-to-Pay (P2P). Synertrade provides a comprehensive procure-to-pay platform designed to manage the entire procurement cycle, from sourcing and supplier management to purchasing and invoicing. The system ensures automated workflows, real-time visibility, and compliance, improving efficiency in procurement. 2. ERP System Overview. ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, or others serve as the central system for managing core business functions such as finance, human resources, supply chain, and manufacturing. Integrating P2P with an ERP system enhances data consistency and visibility across departments, ensuring that procurement activities are aligned with financial, accounting, and other operational processes. 3. Benefits of integration. Automated data flow. By linking Synertrade P2P with an ERP system, purchase orders, invoices, and payments can flow automatically between the two platforms, reducing manual intervention and minimizing errors. Improved supplier and payment management. Data about suppliers, contracts, and payment terms are synchronized, helping to optimize supplier relationships and payment cycles. Cost control and compliance. Integration ensures that all procurement activities adhere to company policies, budgets, and compliance regulations by automating approvals and validating data against ERP rules. Real-time reporting. Data from both systems is combined for more accurate and timely financial reporting, ensuring that procurement spending is aligned with organizational goals. Enhanced efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks such as invoice approvals and order processing, integration speeds up processes, reduces delays, and improves overall operational efficiency. 4. Integration methods. There are several ways to integrate Synertrade P2P with ERP systems. API-based integration. Most modern ERP and P2P systems, including Synertrade, offer APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow seamless, real-time data exchange between platforms. APIs are used to integrate master data, purchase orders, goods receipts, invoices, and payment information. Middleware integration platforms. Middleware solutions like SAP PyPO, MuleSoft, or Dell Boomi can be used to connect Synertrade P2P and ERP systems. These platforms act as intermediaries, ensuring data flows in the correct format and is synchronized between systems. AD, electronic data interchange. For more standardized integration, some organizations opt for AD solutions to exchange procurement-related documents, like purchase orders and invoices, between Synertrade and ERP systems. AD is particularly useful for large-scale, high-volume integrations. Direct database connections. In some cases, direct database-to-database connections may be used to sync transactional data between the systems. However, this approach can be more complex and might require custom coding. 5. Key integration points. Successful P2P integration with ERP systems typically involves connecting the following key components. Supplier master data. Ensure consistent supplier information, example, contact details, payment terms, tax IDs, across both platforms. Benefits of Synertrade Procure-to-Pay for spend management. Synertrade's Procure-to-Pay P2P solution offers several benefits for spend management, streamlining procurement processes and ensuring more effective control over company expenditures. Here are the key benefits. 1. Increased visibility and control. End-to-end transparency. Synertrade provides real-time visibility across the entire procurement life cycle, from requisition to payment. This allows organizations to track and analyze spend more effectively, ensuring that purchases align with budgetary constraints. Spend analytics. Detailed analytics enable organizations to identify spending patterns, spot savings opportunities, and assess supplier performance. By analyzing historical data, businesses can make informed decisions about future purchases and negotiate better contracts. To enhance compliance and risk management. Standardization of processes. The P2P solution ensures that procurement processes are standardized across the organization, which helps in maintaining compliance with internal policies and external regulations. Contract management. Synertrade allows businesses to enforce contract terms at every stage of the procurement process. This reduces the risk of non-compliant purchases and helps ensure that all contracts are adhered to, minimizing legal or financial risks. Supplier compliance. By integrating suppliers into the system and ensuring that all purchases are routed through the approved suppliers, Synertrade reduces the risk of maverick buying and ensures that only compliant suppliers are engaged. 3. Cost savings and efficiency. Process automation. Synertrade automates key procurement processes like requisition approval, order creation, and invoicing, reducing administrative burden and freeing up resources for strategic tasks. Automation reduces errors and delays, ensuring timely purchases and reducing operational costs. Supplier collaboration. The platform facilitates collaboration with suppliers, allowing for electronic invoicing, payment, and order confirmations, which reduces manual intervention and speeds up the procurement cycle. Consolidated spend. By managing all supplier relationships and purchases through a single system, companies can aggregate their spend and take advantage of bulk purchasing discounts or favorable payment terms. 4. Improved supplier relationships. Supplier performance tracking. Synertrade enables organizations to track supplier performance through KPIs and feedback mechanisms, allowing them to optimize supplier relationships and address any issues promptly. Supplier portal. Suppliers can submit invoices, track orders, and manage payments through an intuitive portal, which simplifies communication and reduces delays or misunderstandings. Negotiation leverage. With accurate spend data and supplier performance insights, companies can negotiate better pricing, terms, and conditions with their suppliers. 5. Streamlined procurement process. Centralized procurement system. Synertrade integrates procurement functions in a single platform, allowing easy access to data and reducing the complexity of managing multiple procurement tools. This centralization simplifies training, improves user adoption, and ensures data consistency. Why choose ProExcellency for Synertrade Procure-to-Pay online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Synertrade Procure-to-Pay P2P online training offers several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically employs industry experts with extensive experience in Synertrade P2P systems, ensuring that you learn from professionals who have hands-on knowledge of the platform and can offer practical insights. Comprehensive course content. The training is often designed to cover all aspects of the Synertrade procure-to-pay process, including procurement, invoicing, and payment management, ensuring a holistic understanding of the system. Flexible learning. ProExcellency's online format allows learners to access course materials at their convenience, offering flexibility for busy professionals to learn at their own pace and from anywhere. Hands-on experience, practical, real-world scenarios and case studies are often integrated into the training to help participants grasp the system's functionality and its application in actual business processes. Personalized support. With ProExcellency, you can typically expect personalized attention, whether through Q&A sessions, one-on-one support, or tailored guidance, which ensures that learners can address specific challenges they may face during training. Certifications. Completing the training may also provide certification, which can add value to your professional credentials, particularly if you're looking to advance in procurement or supply chain management. Industry relevance. ProExcellency often keeps its courses up to date with the latest developments and best practices in the Synertrade platform, ensuring that what you learn is current and directly applicable to your work environment. Proven track record. The company's reputation and success with past students can give you confidence in the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.